This immaculate property awaits its new owners. A completely remodeled home is tastefully designed with quality. Main floor boasts cali bamboo flooring with remodeled kitchen, quartz countertops, new stainless steel appliances, and breakfast nook. Open floor plan continues into dining room while enjoying a warm, inviting gas fireplace. Lower level features spacious family room with laminate floors and beautiful gas fireplace. Upper level floor hosts 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 baths with oak hardwood floors. Enjoy entertaining on large back deck overlooking fenced yard with long-range views and sunsets. 1-car garage, nice landscaping and quiet neighborhood. Call today to make this your new home.